the stock dropped. It was oversubscribed and everybody was so excited about it. You can't measure stock performance in just a week. Right? So it went public few days ago, last week, right? The stock dropped and there was lot of excitement. It was oversubscribed and everybody was so excited about it. And I don't know what will happen again. This is just few days, a week in, and really you can't measure stock performance in just a week. But what I'm saying is that this is a very common phenomenon. In when a company go public, there is a very high probability that stock may drop. There may be some correction that's happening. For example, this analyst, they just uh, uh, added the price target of $46 for ARM at underperform. So I will be very careful with ARM, because what they are seeing is that it will take some years for ARM to really prove themselves. So they have certain goals that, hey, we want we want the customers to move from their V8 to V9 architecture in next few years, right? But this analyst think that they may not be able to reach the target. So the guidance is closer to 5%. This analyst think that they may be able to reach that, uh, may be able to reach around 4% of that goal. So now overall, there is, if you look at ARM again, there are some other risk factors. You have to consider China is one of the biggest, in my opinion, because revenues from last year, like it's there are like almost 25% of revenues are coming from China. And based on how things shape up in coming months with China, there is a risk involved here. So you need to be very careful when you consider these IPOs. And this is just again one example. Things change, macro events change, the economic outlook change, everything changes. And in many cases, when these companies go live, they have to prove themselves. So during that period there is lot of uncertainty. And as a retail investor, we all need to be very careful when we consider investing in IPOs. But there are again great companies which probably you want to hold for a long period of time. So thank you for watching today. I'll see you on Thursday.